Meaning of Fanny.
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 Fanny. Fanny can have different meanings depending on the context and location. In the United States, it is a nickname for Frances or a slang term for buttocks. However, in British English, Fanny refers to a woman's genitalia. It is considered a vulgar term and should be avoided in polite conversation. Additionally, in some Commonwealth countries, Fanny is used as a mild derogatory term for someone who is foolish or inept. Overall, the meaning of Fanny varies greatly depending on the cultural and linguistic context.